西船橋から先は地下鉄東西線に入ります。次は東船橋、東船橋。お出口は右側です。Thank you very much for using JR East. This train is a rapid service train for Mitaka and will go via the Tozai subway line from Nishi-Funabashi. The next station is Higashi-Funabashi, JB32. The doors on the right side will open. 次は船橋。お出口は右側です。The next station is Funabashi, JB31. The doors on the right side will open. まもなく西船橋。お出口は右側です。この電車は地下鉄東西線直通快速三鷹行きです。次の西船橋から先は地下鉄東西線に入ります。総武線の各駅停車、武蔵野線、京葉線はお乗り換えです。次の西船橋を出ますと浦安、東陽町の順に停車いたします。東陽町からは各駅に停車します。The next station is Nishi-Funabashi, JB30. The doors on the right side will open. This train will continue on to the Tozai subway line from Nishi-Funabashi. Please change it for the Soku line local service, the Musashino line, and the Keio line. The stop after Nishi-Funabashi will be Urayasu. After Urayasu, the train will stop at Toyocho and then at all stations beyond.